The opinions expressed in the following program are not necessarily those of Eastlink TV, its sponsors, or partners.
Hi, I'm Nancy Summers, a scientist here at Science North, and I'm going to talk about 3D printers. So here at Science North we have the MakerBot Replicator 2X, which is a really highly technical 3D printer. But before 3D printers came to be, there was actually another type of printer called inkjet, which everybody would have one at home. Inkjet printers have the paper feed in and distributes the ink back and forth along the paper as the paper feeds through. 3D printers are sort of the same, where instead of ink, they use a plastic. The plastic is fed in through the inkjet or the plastic nozzle, melted, and then distributed across the base of the thing that you're making. You can see here that the paper doesn't move, the base doesn't move. It's actually the nozzle that moves back and forth to form the object that you're printing. Like inkjet printers, 3D printers have a resolution. And to tell us more about resolution, here's another staff scientist, Melissa Rady.
Hey Nancy.
Hey.
Glad you asked me about this printer resolution stuff. So I guess 3D printers start building from the bottom plate upwards. So they're laying down layer by layer of plastic. If you look at these two models, this is the exact same model printed on two different machines. You can see that one model is not quite as nice as the other one. And that is due to its resolution. So in this model, in this Knight, we have about 4 layers per millimeter. So when the printer was printing, it laid down 4 layers per millimeter. Now this much prettier Knight was used with 10 layer per millimeter resolution. So that's 250 microns versus 100 microns, and it makes a really big visible difference.
That's a significant difference. Wow. Thanks, Melissa.
No problem.
So how do you actually go from idea to product? What you need is something called computer-aided design software, or CAD. You can use something simple like Google SketchUp, or you can use something more complicated like AutoCAD, or you can go to a website that MakerBot makes called Thingiverse. And there you can choose from thousands of different ideas and designs that other people have made. We chose something today like a pumpkin or a jack-o'-lantern, and that's what we're printing. And we've printed one before, and we added LED lights. You can build something really intricate like a gearbox, and you can see here that all of the parts are moving inside, and they're very detailed and designed. Or you could print something like a 3D bottle that actually has a functioning twist-off cap. You can put something inside and then seal it back up again. There is no limit to what you can print in 3D. Next time you're at Science North, come to the Tech Lab and check out our 3D printer.
What do you want to get?
Ice cream.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Let's go, honey.
Together, we can find a child by signing up for free wireless Amber Alerts on your cell phone.